In this video, you will learn different types of valve that use in piping. You will learn about get valve, globe valve, check valve, plug valve, ball valve, butterfly valve, needle valve, pinch valve, and pressure relief valve. Please subscribe to my channel because it helps me to increase my reach on YouTube, and you will also get regular updates on new video. You can subscribe right now by just clicking the subscribe button on the right hand side of the screen. What is valve? Valve is a device that regulates, control or direct the flow of the fluid by opening, closing or partially obstructing the fluid flow. Basically, it controls flow and pressure. Different type of valves are used to serve this function. Let's start with get valve. Get valve is the most common type of valve in any process plant. It is a linear motion valve used to start or stop the fluid flow. In service, these valves are either fully open or fully closed position. Get valves are used in almost all fluid services such as air, gas, feed water, steam, lube oil, hydrocarbon, and almost any services. Get valves provide good shutoff. Globe valve. Globe valve is used to stop, start, and regulate the fluid flow. Globe valves are used in a system where flow control is required and leak tightness is also necessary. Globe valve provides better shutoff as compared to get valve, and it is costlier than get valve. Check valve. The check valve prevents backflow in the piping system. The pressure of the fluid passing through a pipeline opens the valve, while any reversal of the flow will close the valve. Plug valve. Plug valve is a quarter-turn rotary motion valve that uses a taper or cylindrical plug to stop or start the flow. The disc is in a plug shape, which has a passage to pass the flow. Plug valve used as on-off stop valve and capable to provide bubble-tight shutoff. Plug valve can be used in a vacuum to high pressure and temperature applications. Ball valve. A ball valve is a quarter-turn rotary motion valve that uses a ball-shaped disc to stop or start the flow. Most ball valves are of the quick-acting type, which required a 90-degree turn of the valve handle to operate the valve. The ball valve is smaller and lighter than a get valve of the same size and rating. Butterfly valve. A butterfly valve is a quarter-turn rotary motion valve that is used to stop, regulate and start the flow. Butterfly valve has a short circular body. Butterfly valve is suitable for a large valve application due to the compact, lightweight design that required considerably less space as compared to other valves. Needle valve. Needle valves are similar to globe valve in design, with the biggest difference is the sharp needle-like disc. Our needle valves are designed to give very accurate control of the flow in a smaller diameter piping system. They get their name from the sharp pointed conical disc and matching seat. Pinch valve. The pinch valve is also known as clamp valve. It is a linear motion valve used to start, regulate and stop fluid flow. It is used a rubber tube, also known as a pinch tube, and a pinch mechanism to control the fluid. Pinch valve is ideally suited for the handling of slurries, liquid with a large amount of suspended solids, and a system that conveyed solid material pneumatically. Pressure relief valve. A pressure relief valve or a pressure safety valve are used to protect equipment or piping system during an overpressure event or in the event of vacuum. This valve releases the pressure or vacuum at predefined set pressure. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. please like and share my video with your friends. If you want to request a video, write in the comment box. See you soon. Goodbye. Take care.